Diagnosis is based upon clinical science, serology, virus isolation, PCR. Clinically, the differential diagnosis varies based on the source of CSF. African swine fever is the main differential cause because this disease has a similar clinical presentation, hemorrhagic lesions, systemic disease of the pigs, and reproductive failures caused by other infections and non-venomous agents should be considered. Biologic tests are essential to confirm the diagnosis of the CSF. Advice and sample submission should be sought from a laboratory. Significant amounts of CFV are saved from the infected animals into the environment via the oronasal route, particularly early during the infection. Detection of CSV antigen can be performed using direct immunofluorescence or frozen tissue sections, particularly in tonsil samples, using specific antibiotics. Antigen detection can be used using ELISA. CSF at a level. More commonly, viral nucleic acid detection is done using reverse transcriptase. The assay is highly specific and differentiates CSFV from the bovine viral diarrhea and BDV. Standardized methods such as RT-PCR can be scaled up to screen large numbers of samples. CSF is isolated in cell cultures inoculated with tissue suspensions. WBC or oronasal fluids of CSF suspected cases. CSFV can also be detected in infected cells or tissues. Antibiotics against CSFV are detected later during the infection. ELISA and virus neutralization assay are commonly used to detect CSFV specific antibiotics. It is important to consider that BVDV and BDV can infect pigs. The pestis in pigs may hamper the serologic diagnosis of CSFV. New generations of CSFV marker vaccines have been developed to make emergency vaccination compatible and control of CSF. These assays have been developed as necessary combined tests for CSF marker vaccines. Thank you.